Ankit Kumar Sharma. 2020 was a good year for me. Learned so many things actually. Before getting into this organization, I have been like struggling so much actually. But it was like I have given so many interviews, but I have given interviews in the Wells Fargo, in the Delhi, so many interviews. But it was like I was unable to clear them or what, I don't know. But it was like I did not get a job, but I got a chance to just join this organization. I got selected in this organization. Uh, on the same day, I was selected in the Wells Fargo as well. The thing which I chose this prospect, this was because of Vishnu sir. First of all, Vishnu sir's behavior. We had a conversation with Vishnu sir on the, what do we say, Zoom, I guess, Zoom or Google Meet. I don't remember what it was, but it was a good conversation. By that I got a confidence actually. So I would do a great thing in the career. So I just joined this organization, and it was a good decision actually. So this was a good thing for me in the 2020. And 2021 would be like whatever the things which I learned in this organization during my training period, to just improve those and just learn in such a way and apply in such a way so that I would be able to train my juniors so that they should not face which I have faced in the initial training days. So improving my skills, this would be better thing. This would be my 2021 goal, and my long-term goal would be making career stability in this organization.
Thank you.
So for 2020, the best thing was I got selected here, got a job seriously, and another thing is I got lots of sleep due to this lockdown. That's another good thing. And coming to 2021, I don't have any resolutions because I can never complete one. So what I will try to do is keep on improving myself both professionally and personally, and will try to do my best in this job so that I can go to a senior position. And coming to my future goals, I do want to earn lots and then travel a lot. That would, and definitely want to be happy. That's my future goal.
Please go ahead.
So I
Wait, time hai abhi. Yeah. Yes, Shanu. Please.
I would like to start with some good things that happened for me in 2020. First of all, we moved into our newly constructed house.
Nice.
I took a biggest decision in my life to resign my previous job and think about my career, and took a course in financial analysis. And later I was placed here. I would like to thank Vishnu sir for that, for keeping trust in me.
Just tell them what you were doing before for ICICI.
I worked for Muthoot Fincorp as a credit
Muthoot.
officer.
Yeah, Muthoot.
I used to sanction the loans based on customers' eligibility, and I was glad I am here today. And few more good things that happened. I took a first ever solo ride in my life because I'm planning to do it from a long time.
So where did you have a ride? Bike?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. He actually was that Horsley Hills ride?
Actually, that was postponed, and I took a different ride. Yes. The first place was Gandikota.
Okay.
Wow.
Then I went to Tirupati, and later on from there I went to Mahabalipuram. It was a 4-day.
How many people?
4 days ride.
Single?
How many?
Solo?
Yes, ma'am.
Solo?
Solo ride? Oh my god. Inspiration given. Yeah.
The
Good.
round trip is around 1700 kilometers.
Wow.
Altogether?
Yes.
Altogether? That's
Yes.
all? Okay, that's good, but that's a long one.
Yeah, on bike. Awesome.
Ah.
So
Great.
these are the few things that happened that are good in 2020. So coming to the resolutions, I'm even planning for more rides to go. I'm planning for at least a single ride for each batter, or a bigger ride at the end of the year.
Long time.
Good. Good. Goal is to become a rider.
I also want to build my body and start exercising. I want to,
My God.
I want
See,
to
awesome.
start my
practice.
day at 4 o'clock.
Awesome.
And even now I would wake up at 5:30 So I would bring that to 4 o'clock and start my day with some exercises. And one more thing is I want to improve my skills, some professional skills and communication skills, so that I would get more better. So these are the things I wanted to do in 2021. And coming to my long-term goals, I would like to start a restaurant, maybe.
So
But it may happen only after 10 or 15 years.
whatever, the goal is important.
Because I am always interested in the food industry, and I would like to retire as a farmer, holding some.
Wow.
By the time I retire, I would like to buy some farmland and build a small farmhouse in that and start farming there.
Beautiful
Awesome.
life. Beautiful
Well
life.
planned. Thanks.
Yeah.
You have
Started
to,
with that
you
only,
have to
not
start.
this.
Yeah.
I know that's
He's the
Yeah.
best critic of herself. Critics herself in everything.
See, 2020 has been a good year for me. In a way, I enjoyed my days with my family. It's been 10 years I was staying in my home for such a long time, and share each and every stuff what happened in our office also. So that's how my mom has attached with me with this last 9 months of time. Before I was not at all a family person. Now I want a family. I'm such kind of a girl right now. Yeah, I've been responsible enough that I want to be so much responsible enough to give whatever she desires for, because she'd give back me when she's walking. I said that, yes, and that was a good thing happened, and 21 resolution I'm done, and my goal is like, yeah, being responsible and being satisfied, yes, but satisfaction will not come what I have for the first thing. That is not my end goal. I wanted to buy, I'll shop so much, so my end goal will be whatever I pick, I don't want to see the tag. That will be my end goal. I wanted to retire in that making anything, my children or my husband, whoever may be the person, they pick that, I don't want to see the tag. That's my end goal, and I wanted to clear that. I have to, and I will do that. I have that confidence enough with me.
తోటుపడి చేసావే ఎన్ని నాళ్ళైనా నీ జాడ పడలేక ఎన్నెందు వెతికాను కాలమే వృధాయనే రాసులో నిన్నే పెట్టి తులానికి పుత్తడి పెడితే తులా భారం తూగేది ప్రేయసికే ముఖం చూసి పరిగే వేళ తానే తాను ఒదిగిన నేను హత్తుకోకపోతానా అందగాడా ఓ నీడ పోలే వెంబడి ఉంటా తోడుగా చెరి పొగా పోలే పరుగున వస్తా తాకనే చెరి
Power on. Line in now.
हो परेशान हूँ मैं आज अगर भर आई है बूंदे बरस जाएंगी कल क्या पता इनके लिए आंखें तरस जाएंगी जाने कब गुम हुआ कहाँ खोया था एक आंसू छुपा के रखा था तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी हैरान हूँ मैं ओ हैरान हूँ मैं तेरे मासूम सवालों से परेशान हूँ मैं ओ परेशान हूँ मैं ओ परेशान हूँ मैं
హృదయం ముందుగా నా ఈ సంఘర్షణ నన్నే మరిచిని ఇది బాధో ఏదో కులుకే మొదలికి రాదు ఒలుకేమో వదిలిపోదు ఈ వింత పరుగు నాతో నా ప్రణయం మాత్రం పూర్తవదు నా చింత నువ్వు ఉంటే కాలానికి విలువ లేదు, నువ్వు దూరం అయిపోతుంటే విషమనిపించడు ఈ నిమిషం. వర్షం ముందుగా మబ్బుల ఘర్షణ మనసున ముసిరితే ఇది మరి ప్రణయమా ప్రణయమా, హృదయం ముందుగా నా ఈ సంఘర్షణ నన్నే మరిచనే ఇది బాధో ఏదో. పసి వయసులో నాటిన విత్తులో మనకన్నా పెరిగిన ఎత్తులో విరబూసిన పువ్వులు ఇప్పుడు కూసిందవరప్పటిదప్పుడు. నువ్వు తోడై ఉన్ననాడు పలకరించే దారులన్నీ దారులు తప్పుతున్నవే.
Encouraging me because I'm not so melodious, but your encouragement will keep me going. So let's get started.
No?
Okay.
Is it choreography or are you going
Background, are you going for background music?
to?
I want to clap. One, two, one. Come on. और से जैसे कोई चुपके से गान बजाए, जैसे कोई चांद में रात में गाए, जैसे कोई हो जैसे बात से पूरा कैसी मीठी बात थी वो, कैसी मुलाकात थी वो, जब मैंने जाना तुम्हें जरूर से कैसे बिगड़ते हैं और हर जुबानी कैसी मंजिल और कैसे उतरता है चांद जमीन पर, कैसे कभी लगता है स्वर्ग की अगर है तो बच्चे नहीं उसने बुलाया मुझे और समझाया मुझे हाथ को मिलेगा मैं ऐसे ही मिलूंगा दिल जो किए हैं उन्हें ऐसे ही किए जन्मों के बंधन जन्मों के रिश्ते कभी हम जन्मे तो हम यूं ही मिलते कानों में मेरे जैसे शहद से खुले ख्वाबों के घर जैसे आंखों में खिलर ख्वाबों की दुनिया भी कितनी ऐसी और कैसी रंगीन ख्वाबों की दुनिया जो कहने को थी पर कहीं भी नहीं ख्वाब खुद मेरे आँख में खुद मेरी होश जो है मेरे का मैं जरा जो कभी आया था तो तेरा दिल में समाए भी छुपा है और दिल में रहे तन्हा ना कोई समझ ना है और कोई सोच दिन और मेरी रात